Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the Fortnite birthday cake. So let's get started. To draw this cake, we're going to first start by drawing the number 1 candle. So I'm just going to start and draw the number 1. Just a small straight line. And curve it down for the little arm that sticks out for the number 1. Bring it in, and then from there we're just going to bring it straight down. And then let's draw the base. So just come out and down and connect it. So it's nice and blocky. And then let's come back up here, right in the center, draw a little wick. So it's just a straight line and a candle. I mean, a flame, not a candle. There. So cut the 1 in. Now under the 1 is a cupcake. So I'm going to come right underneath the base right here and draw a curve that comes out. So the cupcake is kind of small, so we're just going to keep it about the same width as this one. Just pop out a little curve right here and then connect it. Just a little wave. And then let's draw the base of the cupcake. So I'm going to come in here with an angle line. And right underneath that line, I'm going to connect it with a curve. Because this cupcake sits on top of the cake. And then from there, we're going to start to draw the 5 layers of cake. So it's going to get wider as we go down. So let's start with this one right here. And it's just going to be the icing on each layer. So let's come out right here. So I'm not going to make it too big. It's the smallest one right here, and curve it down. So every layer is going to be like this, and then we start with the icing. So you can do the icing however you like. Just drizzle it down, and then come in here and drizzle and connect. And from there, we're always going to come in a little bit and draw a straight line down. So that's our first layer, and then connect it. Okay, now for the second layer. There's candles on this second layer. So I'm going to draw a bunch of candles, actually just 4. And if you're using a pencil, go ahead and draw more. But I'm going to come right next to this right here and draw a rectangle. So I'm strategically placing these candles so that I don't have to erase anything. So that's why if you're using a pencil, you can draw more and just erase the lines that it covers. So I'm going to draw 2 candles right there. Come in here, little line, and the flame. And from there, I'm going to draw the icing. So once again, I'm just going to come out and bring it around. So everything is centered, and then come in here and just draw some more icing however you like. Maybe a big dollop right there. And connect. So then I'm going to come straight down again, come in. And then before I come down more, I'm going to come straight line down, and I'm going to stop and then draw another candle right here. And then continue my line down. And in this area right here, I'm going to draw another candle. So like I said, strategically placing them so I don't have to erase. Okay, so I got my 4 candles. And so it's about the same level. Let's see here. Okay, now let's connect this layer. A curve. Okay, we got our second layer of cake in. So then let's come out here again and draw another layer of drizzle. So let's get a little bit crazy with this one. Come down a little bit more since it's a little bit taller and bigger. Just have fun with that part. And then once again, let's come down again. And just make sure it's kind of centered. Okay, so then let's connect this layer. So obviously the taller you make each layer, the taller your cake's going to be. and vice versa. If you make it shorter, it's going to be a little wider. So before I finish off, I'm going to come in this area right here, and at an angle, I'm going to draw one of those trees. So I'm just going to zigzag. It's like a little Christmas tree. And then connect it at the bottom with some zigzags. And then come in here for some detail, just to finish off each layer. And let's finish off our cake. Okay, and then now another layer, once again come out. And so it's centered and drizzle. Hope I'm not going too fast. If I am, please just pause the video. Okay, so once again, come down. And let's connect it. Just a little bit shorter layer all the way across. And let's see, before I draw this layer of drizzle, I'm going to come in this area once again and draw a tree. So it's all at an angle, zigzag 3 of them. And connect. And then I'm just gonna, a little hint of another one in the back right here. Okay, then let's come in here, widening out, so right there. And let's drizzle this in. There. And one more. So I'm going to come about right here. And about right here. Okay, so then now let's finish the last layer. It's just going to be cream at the bottom. So I'm just going to draw a curve all the way across. And connect it. I'm going to come out here, round it off on both sides, and just connect it. There. Okay, so then now let's draw the plate that it's on. So I'm going to come out right here, go out wide. So let's do the same thing about right here. Come out wide. And in about this area right here, bring it in. And we're going to aim to come pretty close to this line. So let's come in right here and connect it. There we have our plate. Now for the base of the plate. So let's come up to how wide this cake is in this area. Right here. 2 angle lines and just round it off. And connect. And I'm running out of room. Okay, pretty tall cake, right? So then from there, the last thing we want to do is in this area, there's a decoration of clouds. So I'm just going to come right here and draw a curve, curve it in, and then we're just going to thicken it. So just come out and it splits. So come down. And follow it back. So right here, we're going to do another one. So about right here, just going to curve it in and just thicken it and continue it out. Now that we have this little detail in, let's come back up here that I almost forgot to draw this little tree sticking out right here. So I'm just going to add one right here. You can add more if you want, if you're using a pencil. And I'm just gonna finish this off right there. And that is pretty much it for my Fortnite cake. And when you're coloring it, just go in here and draw all the little dots of different colors. Hope you guys love how it turned out, Fortnite fans, and you had a good time celebrating Fortnite's birthday. Thanks so much for watching, Fortnite fans. And if you guys love how this cake turned out, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.